Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a super cool color spread transitions effects in CapCut. Okay, let's get started. First, open your CapCut and then import your video. Make sure the scene shows you touching an object. It can be just your fingers or even your full body. Now just duplicate the clips and place it as overlay. Like this. Then just go to remove background and then choose custom removal and use brush to keep only your fingers or the parts that touching the objects. Next, just duplicate the main clip again and then place this new one between the original and the first overlay, like this. And on these middle clips, add mono filters. And then just choose any styles that you like. I wanna choose this one. Then go to adjust and bring the saturations down to 0 to make it black and white, like this. While still on the same clip, just go to mask and then choose circle and then tap on invert, like this. Next, just adjust the feather. Now position the mask so the center lines up with the point with where your finger touches the objects. And then at the exact moment your finger touches the objects, adjust the mask to cover the entire screen, like this. Like this. And then don't forget to add the keyframes. Then move forward a bit on the timeline, maybe like this. And then expand the mask to reveal the full color clips underneath, like this. This will create a color spread transition effect starting from your touch point. And here's the final result. It looks very cool. And okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.